What if I told you the secret to the crispiest potatoes isn't frying? It's your oven. With these simple steps, you'll turn potatoes into the most irresistible, golden crunchy bites. To begin with, cut the potatoes into half-inch pieces to ensure consistent cooking and season with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Using a small amount of cornstarch is one of the top secrets to extra crispy potatoes. Sprinkle it on and stir well before adding in the oil. Another secret to crisping the potatoes without drenching them in fat is using a high smoke point oil like avocado oil. Before you begin preparing the potatoes, place a cast iron frying pan on the middle rack and preheat the oven to 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Cast iron is great for holding steady heat, making the potatoes extra crispy, and preheating the pan ensures that the potatoes start sizzling as soon as they hit the hot surface. The final tip for the crispiest potatoes: don't forget to stir. At the very least, give them a good stir halfway through cooking. For extra crispiness though, stir about every 10 minutes. This movement keeps them from steaming and helps them to achieve that irresistible crunch. These potatoes go great with eggs, bacon, my homemade breakfast sausage, or even as a side dish for dinner. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.